Hi everyone, this is Vinny from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of some of the most versatile and useful Excel tools you can find. I've been building Excel and web tools for the past 16 years with one main goal in mind, which is to automate processes and eliminate human error. Today I am very excited to introduce a tool that will take your travel planning to an entirely new level. It is called the International Travel Time Calculator. This tool does more than just calculate driving distances and travel times. It also factors in your departure time, which means you can plan smarter routes by taking real-world traffic conditions into account. Using the International Travel Time Calculator is very straightforward. First, download the tool using the link in the description below. Once you have it open, go to the Settings tab and enter your Google Maps API key. If you are not sure how to do this, we have included a step-by-step video in the description that will walk you through the entire process. Next, configure the settings to match your needs. You can choose between miles or kilometers, depending on what you prefer. You will then enter your departure time, making sure it is a valid Excel time and set in the future. You will also need to input your GMT offset based on your time zone. If you are unsure about this, a quick search online will help you find it quickly. Once your settings are ready, you can start entering your trips. Add your starting and ending addresses. You can use city names, zip codes, or full addresses, but for the most accurate results, I recommend entering the full addresses. After everything is entered, click the Calculate button, and the tool will show you your travel time and distance based on your chosen departure time. You can even test different departure times to see how your travel time changes, which is a great way to pick the best time to start your trip. Like all of our tools, the International Travel Time Calculator is completely built in Excel. There is no complicated software to install, no subscriptions, and no need to depend on external apps. If you are ready to plan smarter trips and save time, click the link in the description to download the tool today. If you need help setting it up, or if you want a custom version for your specific needs, please contact us. You will find my phone number and email in the description, and when you call, you will be speaking directly with me. I will be happy to assist you. Over 7,500 businesses and professionals already rely on our tools, from small startups to major companies. We receive messages every week from people who tell us how much time they have saved and how much easier their planning has become. You can also check out our more than 145-star Google reviews to see for yourself why so many people trust our solutions. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tools and tutorials. Do not forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.